Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing the right Python environment for your mobile device. Install Pidroid 3 for a full IDE experience or Termux for a Unix-like terminal. Android requires about 100 MB free storage and ideally 2 GB RAM available for smooth performance. iOS options include online IDEs or Pythonista for local scripting. Use online IDEs when storage is limited, but expect network latency and limited offline access. Decide based on storage, performance, and whether you need external packages. Next, install and configure the interpreter using simple commands. Open Termux and run pkg install Python to install the interpreter and pip. In Pidroid 3, use the built-in pip GUI or run pip install numpy for packages you need. Grant storage permission so scripts can access files, and set an external download folder if needed. Keep Python updated to the latest stable version using pip or your App Store. Configure external keyboard shortcuts for faster typing and execution. Finally, run scripts and deploy small projects directly from your mobile device. Save scripts to the Downloads folder and run Python miscript, Py in Termux, or use the Pidroid Run button. For web projects, use Flask for simple APIs or run Jupyter on port 8888 for interactive notebooks. Use an external keyboard for faster coding and reliable indentation. Test a small script first to verify package installations, then move to larger projects or sync code with Git when ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.